How can you recover data from a corrupted OS file system? Imagine losing access to all your important files because your computer's file system suddenly becomes unreadable. It's a frustrating situation, but knowing how to recover data can save the day. When your operating system's file system gets corrupted, it can happen for many reasons like power outages, bad sectors on the drive, or software errors. The file system is what organizes and keeps track of all your data on the storage device. Different operating systems use different types of file systems, like NTFS for Windows, ext4 for Linux, or APFS for macOS, and each has its own tools for fixing problems. First, look for signs of corruption. These might include your computer crashing unexpectedly, files not opening, or error messages popping up. Catching these early helps prevent further damage. Windows users can run a utility called CHKDSK, which scans the drive for errors and attempts to fix them. You do this by opening the command prompt and typing CHKDSK followed by the drive letter and the flags F and R. The F flag tells it to fix errors, and locates bad sectors and recovers readable information. For system file issues, Windows offers the Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool, or DISM, and the System File Checker, or SFC. Running DISM with the command dism.hex online cleanup image/restore health followed by SFC scanow can repair core system files and restore stability. Linux users can use the fsck command, which stands for File System Check. It needs to be run on unmounted drives to avoid causing more damage. Type fsck followed by the device name, like dev sda1. If the file system is severely damaged, creating a disk image with tools like ddrescue is a good step. This copies data from the drive while avoiding bad sectors, preserving your files. If a superblock, which holds important metadata about the file system, is corrupted, you can use backup superblocks to restore the primary one. Advanced users can manually examine disk data with hex editors such as gex or hexedit to find and recover lost files. On macOS, the disk utility application provides a simple way to verify and repair disks. It scans for common issues and attempts to fix them automatically. If these built-in tools cannot recover your data, professional recovery software like Disk Drill, RStudio, or Stellar Data Recovery can help. These programs scan your drive deeply, locate lost files, and often preview them before recovery. It's best to save recovered files to a different drive to avoid overwriting any remaining data on the corrupted drive. Remember that the type of file system affects the recovery process. Windows uses NTFS, Linux uses ext4, and macOS uses APFS, and each has specific tools optimized for their structure. Many third-party recovery programs support multiple file systems, making them useful for cross-platform situations. The key is to stop using the drive immediately to prevent overwriting data. Next, run the appropriate diagnostic tools, create a disk image if needed, and then scan with recovery software. Always save recovered files to a separate device. Afterward, reformat the drive and restore your data from backups if possible. Regular backups and disk health monitoring are your best defenses against data loss. Knowing these steps helps you act quickly and effectively when your file system gets corrupted.